What if I told you that one of the most iconic phones of all time is making a comeback and it looks better than ever? Forget everything you think you know about foldables, because Motorola's Razr 60 is about to change the game, and the leaks we just got are jaw-dropping. Stay tuned, because here on Tech Tribe, we're diving deep into why, in just a few days, everything in the foldable phone world might look completely different. Motorola Razr 60-inch A, stunning first look. Motorola is gearing up to announce not just one, but two Razr devices, the Razr 60 and the Razr 60 Ultra. But here's where it gets really interesting. Leaked promo materials have now surfaced, giving us a crystal clear look at the Razr 60, and it's absolutely stunning. The Razr 60 isn't just another smartphone. It's the more affordable of the two, yet it doesn't hold back on style or performance. From what we're seeing, this could be the sleeper hit of 2025. Gorgeous design, a true head-turner, one word, sleek. In the leaked marketing images, which seem to be official, the Razr 60 is flaunting a gorgeous blue carbon fiber style finish. Think luxury sports car meets cutting-edge tech. There are also hints at two different shades of green, adding even more flavor to the lineup. And in one striking image, the phone is shown in camcorder mode, making full use of both displays for a totally revamped photo-taking experience. Imagine recording memories while seeing it play out seamlessly across two screens. Motorola is clearly aiming for innovation and style combined. Bigger displays, smarter features. Motorola is not just playing catch-up, they're aiming to lead the pack. The Razr 60 is rumored to sport a massive 7-inch internal display, paired with a 4-inch cover display. Yes, you heard that right, 7 inches when unfolded. That's practically tablet territory right in your pocket. Unlike the Razr 60 Ultra, whose external screen covers nearly the entire front, the Razr 60 keeps a small chin at the bottom, maintaining a bit of that nostalgic flip phone charm. It's the perfect blend of retro and futuristic, a design language that no one else is pulling off right now. Power under the hood. No compromises. Here, affordability doesn't mean weakness, and Motorola proves it. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Razr 60 is packing some serious heat. We're talking a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, Qualcomm's latest powerhouse chip, paired with a mind-blowing 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's laptop-level performance in a foldable phone. Apps, games, multitasking, whatever you throw at it. The Razr 60 should eat it up with ease. Motorola is clearly aiming to deliver premium performance without the eye-watering ultra price tag. The timing. A calculated move. Timing is everything in tech, and Motorola is playing it smart. With competitors like Samsung and Google heating up the foldable space, Motorola seems ready to punch back, and if these leaks are any indication, they might just land a knockout blow. Are we on the brink of a full-fledged foldable phone revolution? It sure feels like it, and you could be among the first to witness it. Not just about the Razr, this is bigger than just one phone. This is a movement across Android. Samsung's Wear OS 6 beta is already surfacing for the Galaxy Watch, hinting at another leap in smartwatch performance. Meanwhile, Google is paying Samsung enormous amounts to prioritize Gemini AI over other platforms, showing just how fiercely competitive this space has become. Even tiny innovations like wireless Android auto adapters are changing the way we interact with our cars. The future is arriving faster and smarter than ever. Get ready for a wild ride. The Motorola Razr 60 isn't just another phone launch, it's a statement. A statement that design, performance, and nostalgia can collide to create something truly special. So buckle up, tech fans. In just a few days, we'll see if Motorola can recapture the magic and if the foldable market is about to flip upside down. Make sure you don't miss a moment. If you're excited to see the future unfold, quite literally smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on the Razr 60, and hit subscribe for more cutting-edge updates. Stay curious, stay excited, and most importantly, stay ahead with the pulse of tech.